Hello, Bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says consider the following two molecules and according to the given information, select the correct statements about AX2 and AY2. ठीक है? Where A is 16th group, third period element. X is more electronegative than A and same group number of A. Y is less atomic size than A and same period of number A. ठीक है? So बच्चों यहाँ पे we have to find out first A, X and Y, and next we have to find out the which statement given here it is correct. So let's do the question. बच्चों A is 16th group of third period element. तो 16 group कौन कौन से होते हैं बच्चों? It is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. This is group 16 element, and from this is second period element and this is third. So A is sulfur. This is third period element. ठीक है? Now X is more electronegative than A and same group. So sulfur से more electronegative कौन होगा बच्चों? It is oxygen and it is belong to the same group. So here X is O, oxygen. ठीक है? Y is less atomic size than A and same period. So atomic size S से less कौन सा होगा बच्चों? Left to right size क्या होता है? Decrease होता है. तो सल्फर के बाद आता है क्लोरीन that belongs to the same period, है ना? Same period से belong करना चाहिए. So S Y is your chlorine. So what is AX2? It is sulfur dioxide. And what is AY2? It is sulfur dichloride. If you see the hybridization here S is the central atom and the hybridization is sp2, and here this hybridization of sulfur is sp3. ठीक है बच्चों, hybridization is different in both the cases. तो the statement A is the hybridization of central atom are different in both compound. This is a correct statement because in SO2 it is sp2 and SCl2 it is sp3 hybridization. Now if you see the structure, it is S double bond O and double bond O having one lone pair of electron, and in SCl2 it is SCl single bond, SCl single bond, and there are two lone pair of electron. ठीक है बच्चों, तो यहाँ पे both are bent structure. ठीक है, both are shape in case of this is bent. ठीक है, and they have planar. ठीक है, both are planar. So यहाँ पे if you see the statement B, the shape of both the molecules are same. Yes, both are having bent shape, therefore they are same, and both compounds are planar also. So it is also is correct statement. Now if you see the bond angle, if here the bond angle is alpha and here it is the bond angle beta. ठीक है, यहाँ पे there is only one lone pair of electron and here it is two lone pair of electrons. So due to the greater lone pair repulsion here, the bond angle between this ClSCl, that is YAY. YAY मतलब बच्चों bond angle between chlorine, sulfur and chlorine, it will be less than the oxygen, sulfur and oxygen. ठीक है, the bond angle between oxygen, sulfur and oxygen will be higher than that of chlorine, sulfur and chlorine because here there is only one lone pair is present. Due to the presence of one lone pair, यहाँ पे आपका repulsion, due to the greater repulsion of lone pair and the lone pair bond pair repulsion, this bond angle will be less than this bond angle. ठीक है, so beta is less than alpha here. So this statement that the XAX bond angle is less than YAY bond angle, this is a incorrect statement. So the correct information given is in A, B and C. The correct options are A, B and C. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.